I'm a service follow-up estimator. That means I get reports from engineers and customers' inquiries. I look into trying to fixing the cranes, getting them back up to a safe standard and repairing them if needed. I love working at Cranexpress because every day is different. We come across different things, different manufacturers, different areas that have gone wrong on the cranes, and it's just trying to find out how to make them safe and back up to standard so people can use them again.
Louise is very hard working. She's got a high attention to detail. She's dedicated to the role. She worked as an engineer before and she transitioned into the office during COVID. She's learned a new role and worked from home at the same time as well. This is a route that somebody doesn't tend to take quite so early in their career. She's gained a lot of knowledge and experience working on cranes, and she's certainly delivering for us from a sales perspective as well.
I'm hoping to stay with Cranexpress, see where the business is going, what new roles are getting created and where my knowledge is best suited, and see where we can take the company.
As an injection mould tool apprentice at Polypipe, my day-to-day activities include stripping and servicing injection mould tools, making new components for them, and we're using a wide range of different techniques to do this. The things I really like about working at Polypipe is the atmosphere that the workshop brings. It's a great environment, the challenges that each day brings, and learning new skills while on the job, including using lathes, millers and electro-discharge machines.
Jordan is serving a 4-year apprenticeship at Mason & Pinder Polypipe. He's progressed through each department, showing a keen interest and a good understanding of engineering. Jordan is quietly confident, a very focused individual, and it's obvious here that everybody sees him as an intelligent lad and a vital part of Mason & Pinder Polypipe.
Short term, I'd like to learn as many skills on the job as I can and use that knowledge to teach other potential apprentices coming into the company. And long term, I'd like to see myself in a management role further up in the company.